Okay, completely forgot to upload this, but this is a parametric slicing G-code creation program that creates these slices. These lines here on the outside show the path that the actual part should do. And I've got two different planes that are orthogonal to each other. So we've got options for if it's running into like an edge or something. It's kind of important. And I'll show you another one here just to show that it's doing different parts. If you look back at the Blender animation code that I did, the way that those pop in is the order that these are supposed to be run. So it just basically stitches together a bunch of these different parts that you create G codes on individually. So that's that. Like I said, I did this a couple months ago, but kind of forgot about uploading it.